I'm coming over now to Outlook on the web to show you a implementation of this same system, so all the same principles, but here in Outlook on the web. Now, this is my favorite version of Outlook to use. I think it's really clean, really simple to follow, and it's got some great features that you don't necessarily see in the desktop version of Outlook. So you'll see I've done a similar thing. I've actually set up waiting for and follow up, but I've set these up as categories in Outlook. So I'm just going to actually open this message. So if you want to set up categories, so easy ways when you've got your message open, or you can go into the settings, you can come up to the categorize and you've got your categories listed there. And if you go into manage categories, you can actually create new categories. So that's what I've done, and I've created one called follow-up, one called waiting for, and you'll see I've ticked the little selected the little star option here, because that means it's added it to my favorites, which live on the left here. So when I get a message in Outlook, same principle, I use that 2-minute rule. Doesn't need action. Yes, can it be done in 2 minutes? Do it. If not, put a waiting for label on it. So I can just open it up, come up to categorize and select follow up or waiting for. I should have said before. 2 minutes, you might want to, if you can't do it in 2 minutes, you probably want a follow up label, not a waiting for one. So now that I've got it on there, in my inbox, it's got the big red label, so it stands out. And then if I want to see all my follow ups, all my waiting for emails in one place, I just click over on the left here and I can see them all together. Now, there's currently no way to kind of have that split view here in Outlook on the web, but I think it's still a really big improvement, just being able to have those labels and then being able to see them all together. And again, just make sure you're not leaving the messages marked as